Okay, so let's take a look at the throttle command. It should be ETC user command, right? So let's drag it. It's commanding it at 70%. Let's see what it's doing in terms of the position. So ETC position input. Let's see what the position is. It's almost, it's pretty close. It's pretty close. So, but actually this throttle body is redundant sensor, so let's look at what both the sensors are saying. And they're quite close as well, and it's easy to see that the feedback uses sensor 1 clearly. Okay, so let's see how well it works. So 70% is that, right? So let me try and give a very different number. 10. All right, so my feedback does read 10, and I see here that it's nearly open. There's still a gap over there, so it looks like 10%. And let's try to close it. 100. That's really going to slam it. It's not so nice, but yeah, we did 100 and it comes to, and 7%. I will take that to be mostly position error, because when you come here it's fully closed. There's not much light that you see, right? So there you have it. It's a very simple to use closed loop controller to control the throttle valve from a standard production ECU, and it works with user command sent through a standard XCP calibration tool.